Hi, Science Form 1, Chapter 7, Air. Are you ready? Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera. Before this, in Chapter 5, you have learned that air has mass, air occupies space. And generally, we know that air cannot be seen, does not have color or smell. Now, in Chapter 7, we will learn more about air. Here, as we can see, is a composition of air in a pie chart. Okay, air is a mixture of several gases, which are nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, inert gases such as helium, argon, xenon, krypton, and other substances 0.97%. Is air a compound or a mixture? Air is a mixture. The components of air are combined physically. The composition of air can be separated physically, which is through fractional distillation. Other components that exist in the air are microorganisms, water vapor, and dust. The quantity of these components, microorganisms, water vapor, dust, varies according to place and time. For example, there is more water vapor in forest or after the rain than during a hot day. Okay, let's take a look at this. Place several ice cubes into a test tube. Leave for 5 minutes. Test the liquid form with anhydrous cobalt chloride paper. Let's watch the video. Okay, observations. When water vapor in the air comes in contact with the surface of the cold test tube, as you can see in the diagram, it condenses to form droplets of water on the test tube, outer surface of the test tube. The change in the color of cobalt chloride paper from blue to pink indicates the presence of water. Observation. Colorless droplets of water is formed on the outer surface of the test tube. Anhydrous cobalt chloride paper change color from blue to pink. Inference: air contains water vapor. Okay, next activity. Fill a sterile petri dish with sterile nutrient agar. Leave the petri dish open, exposed to the air for 3 days. What will happen? Let's watch the video. Okay, we can see the covered petri dishes containing the nutrient agar are sterilized before the activity begins in order to eliminate all the microorganisms. In petri dish A, which is tightly closed, the nutrient agar does not have a colonies of microorganisms, while in petri dish B, which is exposed to the air, the nutrient agar has colonies of microorganisms. Observation. A lot of colonies of microorganisms form on the surface of the sterile nutrient agar on the petri dish. Inference: air contains microorganisms. Okay, next. As we can see, cellophane tape with the sticky part facing upwards, glass slide. Expose a clean glass slide stuck with a piece of cellophane tape to the air for 2 days. What will happen? Let's watch the video. Observation: there is dust on the surface of the cellophane tape. Inference: air contains dust. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye.